Creating dependencies gives you the ability to create channel rules. Mode will create a block rule or a force rule. To create a block rule, say for example, you do not want to be able to turn on your top bar or front cube while on the highway. We are going to make the whip the blocking channel. This means that the top bar or front cube will not be able to be turned on while the whip is off. To program this, from the button menu, go to Dependencies of the blocking channel, which in this case is the whip light. Choose Block. Then, from the list below, select the output channels you would like blocked by the whip. Since you do not want these channels to be able to be turned on with the whip off, you will select When Off. On the other hand, if you only want to be able to turn these channels on when the whip is off, select When On. To create a force rule, maybe you have a light bar with a high and a low setting, and they cannot be on at the same time. If the low beam is on and you turn on the high beam, you need the low to turn off. We're going to make the high switch the forcing channel. To program this from the button menu, go to Dependencies of the forcing channel, which in this case is the high switch. Choose Force. Then, from the list below, select Low and choose Off. Now, when the low is on and you select High, the low will turn off. If you want a channel to force another channel on, select On. If you want the forcing channel to control both on and off of another channel while maintaining the other channel's independence, you will choose Link. A perfect use case for this is with an air locker and compressor. An air locker will not work with the air compressor off. However, you may want to use your compressor to air up your tires and don't want your air locker on. In order to create this link, from the Dependencies menu of the forcing channel, choose Force. Then, from the list below, select Compressor and choose Link. Now, when you turn on your locker, it will automatically turn on your compressor. When you turn off the locker, the compressor will turn off. Notice that you can still control the compressor without affecting the locker.